It's time to get back on the Blues Trail as we make our way back to Clinton, Mississippi to visit Blues Trail marker number 221 that was unveiled on March 5th, 2026. Gotta love them T-tops.
Get gas for free? Not. Yeah.
We're now in the big city of Clinton, Mississippi, and heading to the site of Clinton's second Blues Trail marker commemorating the history of the Grits and Gravy recording studio. Grits and Gravy was a historic recording studio housed in the building that once was the Hilltop Theater. Before it was demolished in 2013, the structure also served as Mississippi College's Choctaw Band Hall. The Mississippi College president's home was subsequently built on the site. Bob McRee, Cliff Thomas, and Ed Thomas operated the studio, working with producer Huey Moe and others. Among the artists who recorded here were Dorothy Moore, Junior Parker, Barbara Lynn, Freddie Fender, and the Grammy-nominated duo Peggy Scott and JoJo Benson. This Blues Trail marker is located close to the Olde Towne District of Clinton, so we decided to check it out on this quiet but beautiful Sunday evening.
So me and Julian is in Old Town, Clinton, Mississippi. We did a little day trip here for the Blues marker, and as you see, we are on the brick streets of Old Town, Clinton. I'm gonna turn my camera around, let you see some of the cool things they have here. There's Julian in the background. There he is. Say hey. They have bicycles, murals here where different people have came and painted the bikes, and we're checking it out. We've seen a steel cage that they used to use a long time ago. This is pretty cool. And so this is the downtown Old Town City Hall, built in 1934. It's the Old Town Courtyard. There's an old bicycle up there.
Yeah, this is the corner of, I think we're at Leek and Jefferson.
So this house was featured in a movie that was just filmed here in Clinton, The Neglected. Okay, pretty cool. That's supposed to be coming out this summer. Who is that guy behind me? Hello, guy. How are you?
Hello, girl. I'm fine.
Are you enjoying yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
I know it.
Stretch on, baby. Hey. Hello, kitty.
This marker for Senator Charles Caldwell tells about his assassination and the very turbulent times during the Reconstruction period in this area in 1875.
That's right, they on patrol, Batman. This is Gotham City. This is their police and justice department. Wow. But see, you got to notice the details.
We had a great time touring Old Town Clinton and visiting the Grits and Gravy Blues trail marker, but now it's time to get back on the road and head for home. Thank you for checking out this video. This is the 200 Blues Trail site we're visiting in Ole Blue in Mississippi. Please be sure to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, and as always, be blessed. Peace.